Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Trends. Today we're diving into Google's upcoming Pixel 10 Pro, and yes, this one could be a major leap forward. We're talking a complete redesign, next-gen Tensor G5 chip, and what might be the smartest Pixel camera yet. The Tensor G5 is expected to be Google's first fully in-house chip, built on TSMC's 3nm process, goodbye Samsung Foundry. This means better thermal efficiency, more power, and dramatically improved AI performance across the board. The Pixel 10 Pro is rumored to bring a fresh new look, thinner bezels, flat display, and possibly a more symmetrical rear camera visor. Think refined Pixel 6 DNA, but modern, sleek, and lighter. Leaks suggest upgrades to the main and periscope cameras, but the big story is AI-powered computational photography. Expect real-time semantic segmentation, Super Res Zoom 2.0, and scene-aware editing right from the camera app. Display: 6.7-inch LTPO OLED, QHD+, 120Hz. Chipset: Tensor G5. RAM: 12-16GB. Storage: 256 GB to 1 TB. Battery: approximately 5,000 mAh, with improved thermal cooling. OS: Android 15 out of the box. Pixel 10 Pro will go heavy on Gemini-powered on-device AI, smarter assistant, better call screening, and live language translations. Expect deeper integration across messages, photos, and even Android system-wide. The Pixel 10 series should launch in October 2025, following Google's usual timeline. We might get our first teaser during the Made by Google event in early September. What do you think? Will the Tensor G5 finally close the gap with Apple and Qualcomm? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you liked this preview, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more weekly tech drops. Catch you in the next one.